What's up, everybody? So this morning I'm gonna be heading over to meet a friend at another friend's house. Meet Mike, who owns Red Sky Teardrop campers and designs and builds campers. And hopefully gonna hook up with him to do an install of Timbren axles on a trailer build that he is currently building out for a teardrop camper. Should be very interesting, very cool. We've done this once already, so this is just going to be a redo of kind of what we've already done, just on a separate set of axles. These I think are going to be the HDs, and I'm taking the Jeep over to kind of do a fitment of my 33-inch tires and wheels, the offset and all that kind of good stuff with the spacing and things, to see what exactly is going to work best for my camper. So that's what we're gonna do. Maybe I'll get a little bit of video of it, some still shots of it. Hopefully have something posted up about it, whether it's just a short little video or not. But this is maybe one of my first videos that I've did some talking on. Everything else has been kind of just you know, video of the expo and, you know, some of my cycling that I like to do. It's all, you know, a good adventure. So hopefully this will be great. You guys will enjoy it, and we'll see you soon. Train wreck number one.
Alright. Alright. Jack Dan, is it going to be possible for two people to pick the...
Yeah, two people pick up the rear, one person in the front, I would imagine.
Forgot to turn the camera on. Wait a minute, I'm getting this whole thing, the
That's
heavy
what I
side.
say, if you want to get over here, I'll go over there.
Oh, yeah,
That's the way to do it.
hang on. We didn't think this through.
Alright. Alright, lay it on that one. Just, yeah, lay it on that one there. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, we're upside down now. You want to bring it over this way?
So what do we got going on, Mike?
So, one, just the differences between a heavy duty and a non-heavy duty.
Do it 7 times.
A heavy duty and a non-heavy duty Timbren axle. And we'll just go with some of the obvious differences. One, look at the pivot bolt here, the size comparison. Let's look at the thickness of the steel, especially on the hanger portion. Look at how thick this plate is here compared to the thickness of this plate. The differences on paper are obvious. The weight is exactly twice as much on this unit compared to this unit.
And so, why did you choose the lighter unit?
The lighter unit is still rated at 2,000 pounds, and I wanted to test it. Now, after seeing the comparisons, there's no question that heavy duty is a better.
So that's what you're going to use for all your builds? That's how you do things here at Red Sky?
That's how we do things at Red Sky.
Now, here's another piece of
nut instead of having to use a crush washer.
Yep.
The stainless steel strong.
able to go get lunch.
I mean dinner.
That's all, yeah.
Wherever that thing went.